Yeah, children. So today we are going to discuss linear equations into variables. Third variety, children. Third variety. Okay. Solutions will be given to a equation. Okay. We have to find k. Finding k, children. Okay. Please open the link in the description, children. I have given a link in the description. If you open, you can see 10, almost 20 sums are there. For children, I will be telling two sums, children. After that, I will be asking one by one. You have to say. First sum, children. First sum is given like this. 1 comma minus 2 are solutions is solution of 3x minus 5y is equal to 7. So 3x minus sorry children, question is 2x. Okay, 1 comma minus 2 is the solution for 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Question is find k. This is the question. Okay, children, we have to find out this one. One second. I'll tell. Just give me. Okay, children. So it is like this. So, children, x is always this. This is y, x coordinate and y coordinate. Mute your audience, all of you. So, 2 mute your audience. 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to k. When I say mute your audios, you should learn Rugved. Hundreds of times I told mute your audio means immediately you should mute your audio. That's all. So 2 minus 6 is equal to k and k is equal to minus 4. This is the answer. You also need to understand the sum. Second sum you check, children. I have given second sum. From third sum onwards, I will be asking you, you should say. Second sum, children. Same. Uh, X is equal to 2k minus 1. Y is equal to k. Okay. And the equation is 3x minus 5y is equal to 7. You have to find k. You have to find k. Okay, children, wherever x is there, substitute this. Wherever y is there, substitute this. When you substitute like that, 3 into 2k minus 1 minus 5 into k is equal to 7. 6k minus 3 minus 5k is equal to 7. 6k minus 5k is k, minus 3 is equal to 7. Minus 3 comes here, k is equal to 10 is the answer. Like that you have to substitute. Okay, children, like that you have to substitute. Okay, from next time onwards, I will ask you one second. Give me time. Yeah, Tanmay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me third sum? How to do third sum? Do you have sums or shall I say?
Sir, I have.
You're having okay. Third sum to see once. Third sum is there like this. So x is equal to k square, y is equal to k are the solutions of x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. Find k. Yes or no? Can you tell me the substitution?
Yes, sir.
K square.
K square plus 4k minus 7 equals to 0.
Okay. Hmm. So four.
We should transpose 7
No need
minus.
of no need of transposing. With some you are telling me, I wrote wrong question. I think I wrote wrong question. X
5
minus
sir.
x. I wrote wrong question. X minus 5y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now you tell me x is equal to k square.
K square minus 5k equals to
Do
plus
you
6
know? Do
equals
you
to 0.
know? Do you know how to split the middle term? Do you know how to split the middle term? 2 3s are 6. Yeah, k square minus 2k minus 3k plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so k into k minus 2 minus 3 into k
Sir,
minus
it will be
2.
5k no, sir? 5
Yeah,
into k.
minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5k. Minus 2 minus 3 is plus 6. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5k. Minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. So you got k minus 2 into k minus 3. K minus 2 is common, k minus 3. So k, mute your audio. K is equal to 3. Next. Next. Okay, Tekshita, you can't say anything. Lahari, not there. Nothing I utter.
Yes, sir. So
Fourth,
once can you say the question?
yeah, fourth question. So x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2 are the solutions of 4x plus 3y is equal to k. Find k.
4 into minus 1 plus 3 into 2 is equal to k, minus 4 plus 6 is equal to k is equal to 2.
That's it. Next. Sridhar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me fifth sum. X is equal to minus lambda, that's a symbol, Lana. Y is equal to 5 by 2 are the solutions of x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. Question is find lambda. Yes, Amita.
Lambda minus lambda plus 4 into 5 by 2 minus 7 is equals to 0.
Okay.
Minus lambda plus 10 minus 7 is equals to 0. Minus lambda plus 3 is equals to 0. Minus lambda is equals to 3.
Lambda is equal to 3. Yeah, but you're right. A lot of disturbance there. Vivek, are you there? Vivek. Vivek is not there. Sarayu, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
X is equal to alpha plus 1, y is equal to alpha minus 1 are the solutions of 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Find alpha. Alpha
Yes,
is
sir.
simple. Yeah,
2 of
2 of
2 alpha plus 1 plus 3 of alpha minus 1.
minus 3 into alpha minus 1.
Alpha minus 1 plus 5 is equal to 0.
Okay.
4 alpha plus 1 minus 3 alpha minus plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 0. 4 minus 3 alpha is alpha. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 5, 10. 10. Alpha is equal to minus 10.
Alpha is equal to minus 10. Very good. Alpha is equal to minus 10. One second. Anna. Yeah, next question. Next question. So, Sarayu, are you there? Sarayu,
Yes, sir.
tell me seven sum. Seven sum is like this. What is seven sum? X is equal to 1, y is equal to 6 are the solutions of 8x minus ay plus a square is equal to 0. Question is find a. Can you tell me? Very easy.
8, 8 into 1. 8
1,
into 1 minus a into 6.
8 to 6.
6 plus a square is equals to 0. 8 plus a 8 minus a6 so 6a plus a square is equals to 0. Trans a square minus 6a plus 8 is equals
Do
to
you know
0.
how to split the middle term? Do you know how to split the middle term? Anyone splitting middle term? 6 and 8 should come.
Sir,
4 into
2
2.
into 4.
2 and 4. 2 and 4. Minus
Very
2 and
good.
minus
2
4.
and 4.
Minus 4a plus
Sir, minus, sir.
minus
Minus
2a plus 8 is equal to 0. Minus 4 minus 2, sorry, minus 6 amma. Minus 4 minus 2 is plus 8 amma. A you take common, what do you get?
Minus a minus 4, sir.
Minus 2 you take common.
A minus 4 is equals to 0. A minus 4 is common. Minus a minus 2 is equals to 0.
So a is equal to 4, a is equal to 2. Are the two values. Okay, children, like this you have to do. Next one, Yashasvi. Yashasvi, are you there? Yashasvi? Yashasvi, are you there? Navneet, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Navneet, tell me some.
Sir, I don't have the question.
I will write the question. Right? So 3 comma 4 is the solution of 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Find a. Tell me. This is x, this is y. Tell.
3 into 4 is equal to a into 3 plus 7. 12 is equal to 3a plus 7. 3a, that's
5 by 3. This is into no here. Here it comes division. Next. Vikram, are you there? Vikram.
Yes, sir.
You have a chance next. Three comma 5 is a solution of ax plus 5y is equal to 7. Find a.
So in place of x we have to take 3, and in place of y we have to take 5 equal to 7. 3a plus 25 equal to 7. 3a equal to 7 minus 25. 3a equal to minus 18. A equal to minus 18 by 3. A equal to minus 6.
Yeah, Rugved, are you there?
Yes, sir.
10th one. 2 comma minus 3 is a solution of 5x plus ky is equal to 4. Find k. This is x, this is y, always. Tell.
5 into 2 plus k into minus 3 equals to 4.
Okay.
10 plus minus 3k equals to 4. Minus 3k equals to
Tell Anna. Yeah. Next. Yeah, children. Next. Neeraj, are you there, Nana?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Yeah, tell me some. A comma 2 is there. A comma 2 is there. Is A comma 2 is a solution of 2x minus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. Find A.
Yes, sir. So 2 into a plus, sorry, minus 3 into 2 is plus 8, that is equal to 0. 2a minus 6 plus 8 is equal to 0. 2a minus 4 minus plus 2,
2a is equal to plus 2 comes here, minus 2.
yeah, minus 2, sir.
2 goes down.
So that will be 2 goes down, so 2 a is equal to minus 1.
A is equal to minus 1. Next. Rama, are you there? Rama, are you there? 1 comma.
Sir, he has some net problem, sir.
Okay, Rama. Shenmukh.
Yes, sir.
Now 1 comma minus 2 is the solution of x minus 2y plus k is equal to 0. Find k.
1 minus 2 into minus 2
1
plus
minus 2 into minus 2 plus
k is equals to 0. 1 plus 4 plus k is equals to 0. 5 plus k is equals to 0. K is equals to minus 5.
is equal to minus 5. Yeah. K is equal to minus 5. Next. Kruti, are you there? Kruti? Hansika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
4 comma 19 is the solution of y is equal to ax plus 3. Find a. Yes, ma'am?
Yes, sir. 19 is equals to
19 is equal to
a into 4 into 4 plus 3. 19, 19 is equals to 4a plus 3. 19 minus 3 is equals to 4a. 16 is equals to 4a. 16 by 4 is equals to a. A is equals to 4.
right. Next. Hasini, are you there? Hasini, are you there?
Sir.
Nandika, you are there. Okay, Nandika. Nandika, you do. A comma 4. A comma 4 is the solution of 3x plus 4 3x plus y is equal to 10. Find a. Tell her.
Yes, sir.
3 into
3 into a plus 4 is equal to 10. 3 into a, 3a is equal to 6, a is equal to 2. No, sir, it is not a solution.
why not a solution? A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. You have to find a is equal to 2 value. You're not able to understand the sum. Yeah. Next. So this is with sum, Nana? 14th sum. No? Again, 15th sum. Tanmay, 15th sum. Can you tell? You want to say, Tanmay?
Yes, sir.
That 15th sum. See, 2k minus 1 comma k is a solution of 10x minus 9y is equal to 12. Find k.
Sir, I'll try, sir, Neeraj.
Got 10.
Wait, tell her.
Got 10 into k, 10 into 2k minus 1 minus 9 into k equals to 12. 20k minus 10 minus 9k equals to 12.
11k.
11k is equals to 12 plus 10. 11k equals to 22. K equals to 2. 22 by 11 k equals to 2.
Okay, Neeraj, tell 16, sir. Neeraj, say 16, sir. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 6, sir.
Yes, sir.
8x minus ay plus a square is equal to 0. Tell me.
So we can 8 into 1 minus a into 6 plus a square is equal to 0. A minus 6a plus a is equal a square is equal to 0. You have to write in
Split the middle term.
split the middle term, and a square minus 4a minus 2a plus 8 is equal to 0. A into a minus 4 in minus 2 into a minus 4, that is equal to a minus 4 by a minus 2.
Okay, next. So next, Srihita is there? Not Srihita. I think next chance is Nandika. Nandika?
Yes, sir. So once can you write the question?
I will try. Don't worry about it. So f is equal to 9 by 5 c plus 32. Okay. So finding f if c is 10. If c is
That
10,
f-
find it.
F is equal to 9 by 5 into 10 plus 32.
Okay.
F is equal to 18 plus 32.
Okay.
F is equal to 50.
Srihita, next you only.
Yes, sir.
So 3 comma 4 is a solution of 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Find a.
3 into 4 is equals to a into 3 plus 7.
Okay.
12 is equals to 3a plus 7.
Okay.
5 is equals to 3a. A is equals to 5 by 3.
5 by 3. Okay, next. Vivek,
Yes, sir.
2 comma 5 is a solution of 2 comma 5 is a solution of 2x plus cy is equal to 8. Find c.
Yes, sir. 2 into 5 plus c.
2 into 2 plus c into 5.
To c into 5 is equal to 8. 4 plus 5c is equal to 8.
4 plus
4 plus
5c
5c is equal to 8. 5c is equal to 4. C is equal to 4 by 5.
is equal to 4 by 5. Okay. Last question chance will go for Sarayu. Sarayu, last question. Okay. 2 comma 1 is a solution of 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Find k.
2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is
Okay.
equals to k.
Okay.
4 plus 3 is equals to k.
Okay.
K is equals to 7.
Very good. Fantastic. So children, all the sums we did. If it is possible, I will add some more sums to practice. Till here, tomorrow exam will be there, children.